Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread jam toast using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 slices of your preferred bread, perhaps a hearty whole wheat or a classic white. Next, choose your favorite jam or preserve. Strawberry, raspberry, or even a citrus marmalade works wonderfully. Finally, make sure you have a toaster or a pan ready to achieve that perfect golden crispness. Now, let's get that bread perfectly toasted. Carefully place your 2 slices of bread into your toaster. I recommend setting your toaster to a medium-light setting, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. This will give you a lovely golden brown color and a satisfying crunch. If you don't have a toaster, you can lightly butter a pan and toast the bread over medium heat until it's golden. With your toast ready, it's time for the best part, adding the jam. Carefully remove the warm, fragrant toast from your toaster or pan. Now, take your chosen jam and using a knife or spoon, spread 1 to 2 tablespoons evenly across the surface of each slice. Make sure to get a good, consistent layer so every bite is bursting with fruity flavor. Enjoy this simple, delightful treat. Your delicious bread jam toast is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve it immediately while the toast is still warm and the jam is slightly softened. This simple, satisfying treat pairs wonderfully with a hot cup of coffee or your favorite tea. It's a perfect way to start your day or enjoy a quick snack. And speaking of making things easy, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.